Good morning, everyone. I'm Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Nothing Phone 2A manufacturing in India, Google's Gemini AI outperforms ChatGPT, Apple's staggering $1.65 trillion from iPhone sales, Xiaomi's upcoming 14 series model for India, Google introduces cyber attack detection tool, Reddit signs $60 million AI content licensing deal, Samsung retains top position in global TV market, and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. CEO Carl Pei confirms Nothing Phone 2A to be manufactured in India, set for launch on 5 March, expected to be competitively priced, positioning it below flagship phones like the iPhone 2. Features a 6.7-inch OLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate and a dual camera setup. Camera specifications include a 50 megapixel primary camera and a secondary ultra-wide camera. Possible variants 8GB plus 128GB and 8GB plus 256GB, with rumors about retaining Nothing's Glyph Lightning interface. Launch signifies Nothing's entry into the Indian smartphone market with a focus on affordability. Google's AI chatbot Gemini outperforms OpenAI's ChatGPT in comprehensive multidiscipline test, powered by custom-designed tensor processing unit for efficient training and deployment, achieves remarkable performance in processing images, videos, and audio beyond language processing. Gemini Ultra outperforms GPT-4 in various categories, showcasing technical advancement. Google plans to bring more Gemini models to customers with updates on its Vertex AI platform. Gemini 1.0 Pro, a model for scaling across AI tasks, now generally available to Vertex AI customers. Apple generates a staggering $1.65 trillion from iPhone sales over the last decade, according to Alt Index. 2023 sees a 53% increase with 235 million units sold, surpassing Samsung in global market share. Total iPhone sales in the past decade amount to 2.3 billion, marking consistent growth. Apple's success attributed to rising popularity in emerging market and consistent product appeal. IDC report Apple's growth and surpassing Samsung in smartphone market share in 2023 reflect Apple's ability to compete with rivals and maintain dominance in the smartphone market. Xiaomi set to launch its 14 series model in India in March 2024 following its China debut. Features Leica engineered camera, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, and 8GB 12GB RAM variant. Expected improvements in telephoto sensor and new Android 14 based HyperOS platform. Rumored 4800 mAh battery with 90-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging support. Positioned as a competitor to OnePlus 12 and iPhone 15, expected to be priced close to Rs 70,000. Represent Xiaomi's commitment to delivering high-end features and competition in the market. Google introduces a new tool in Chrome to detect potential cyber attacks on PCs. Available in Chrome, users' next update aims to prevent major attacks on home networks, utilizes a quick website check before reaching the destination to ensure secure access, may impact website performance but provide enhanced security against hacking attempt. Feature to be test run initially with warnings for users on potential malicious attempt, part of Google's efforts to enhance browser security and protect users from cyber threats. Reddit signs a $60 million AI content licensing deal with an unnamed AI company. Deal involves training AI models on Reddit's user-generated content. Contract aligns with Reddit's plan for an initial public offering IPO, potentially in March. Details of the deal subject to change as talk progress over the IPO launch. Highlights the growing interest in AI applications and partnerships in social media. Marks a potential model for similar content licensing deal in the future. Samsung Electronics retained its position as the top player in the global television market for the 18th consecutive year, accounts for 31.1% of the world TV market in terms of revenue in the last year. Flagship QLED TV contribute to strong performance with cumulative sales reaching 44 million units. Samsung dominates the premium TV segment for models valued at $2,500 or higher, holding a 60.5% share. Maintains a strong presence in the market for large TVs with a 33.9% market share. In the QLED TV segment, Samsung captured 22.4% of the global market in terms of revenue. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest tech news.
Hey, have you heard that Google is offering free courses on AI? Generative Learning Path. Transform your business with artificial intelligence. CS50's Introduction to Artificial Intelligence with Python. Generative AI Training. ChatGPT Prompt Engineering for Developers. AI for Everyone. Responsible AI Overview. Generative AI for Everyone. Introduction to Generative AI Studio. Go and enroll fast to upskill yourself in the ever-evolving field of artificial intelligence.